In a season of drought and uncertainty, I had a season of abundance. Whata Bling'n? Welcome back to my channel. I did an intro not too long ago, but I didn't like it and I had a whole outfit change. But I'm running some errands today. I'm gonna have my sister and my niece with me, so this should be very interesting. But I am going to return that rug right there. It does not work. I wonder if she remember to bring a receipt. Dang, I'm probably gonna have to remind her. And I would love to get my car washed today, because I'm not gonna lie, the rain has been fooling me, because every day the forecast says it's going to rain and it does not rain. I feel a way about it, I'm not lie. And the reason why I feel a way is because if you watch my last video and if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that trying to beautify my garden, you know, so I had it aeration done for it, and me need for water my grass. The forecast said it was going to rain and your girl believed it, so now I have to make sure I say I water the grass. Hello, you have the receipt? I want the rest of your shorts there. Oh, what is Michaela, where's the rest of your shorts? But guys, get into my hair. You guys loving it? The only thing I don't like is this. It's like a decline there. I not too love that. I tried to fluff it out, but I don't know. Maybe this is just how it's gonna look. But from front way, it don't look so cute. But like, really and truly, like really, yes, it's gonna be so fun. I want the rest of Michaela shorts there. And you talked about my shorts.
Michaela is a kid, and I'll be able to pull it on.
I got it.
Michaela, I'm a big great one, man.
Jesus, you have my niece out here looking like a yamed. Say hi to the camera.
Me not care. Don't bother come put me on the camera.
So this is going in a vlog. I want the people them to know this is how you act, okay? When you see her so nice and dainty on Instagram, shoulda nice, you know, nice. And that's what you're teaching your child, to be mean to me, to be mean to her auntie. So you brought up to your child, you know, brought up to yourself. In a surprise. Keisha, you know, have to just have the camera like, you're so disgusting.
What?
You could have put it mouth sitting up there, so.
On what?
I have my mouth right here.
She's coming.
Guys, my sister sucks. She's not into the whole vlogging thing, guys. So we had some nice moments that didn't catch the camera because
Michaela, relax, baby.
I mean, she out here defending you.
I know, it's okay, baby. I got it. No, she's not. Yeah, she's not talking about me right now.
Michaela, you're out here stick up for your mother. It's alright. Do it again. Do it again, Kayla.
Okay, welcome to our challenge. We're gonna have a makeup challenge.
Okay, and you hear that? Welcome. We're gonna have a makeup challenge. I will teach you the one there, Kayla.
She's wanting. We're gonna work on her YouTube channel today because she's been wanting.
You want to work on a YouTube channel? You can't even turn on the camera for me for vlog.
I can do it for my. You're going straight. I will tell you.
You can't do it for your daughter.
I'm looking Michaela, baby, but
what you're saying is you can't do it for your sister, right? Because I'm nobody, right? I don't deserve anything in life.
Dear Lord.
Michaela, I am not being mean to mommy. Mommy's actually being mean to me, but you're just not listening to hear it. Should I do it on the Sykes?
I'm not being mean to her, Michaela. Is mommy mean? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So,
Okay.
you right here, so? Where's the at home on the sign? Where's the at home? So like y'all go slow down. Yes, right there, so.
Can we get our no plush down?
Our no plush? Dude.
Wait.
Driving like a Miss Daisy.
I know.
She couldn't take a turn and no.
road.
Yeah, figure see.
First of all, Tiff, don't.
Alright, don't call me no damn Tiff.
Excuse me, Mom.
Okay, Tiff. at home. The road here, so.
Go there, so. Which way you gonna turn there, so?
Where you think we'll go? Somewhere close up to the front there?
Yes, because we have a whole mat in the car. And who you think I go struggle? I mean, we're gonna use one shopping cart, but still.
You hear how you're lazy? I hope the camera catch you.
This is not workout time.
Mom, look at that thing. What's that in the car?
You're supposed
You
to
know.
always be ready.
Says who?
Stay ready.
Says who?
They said stay
Anybody
ready so you
who
don't have
said
to
that,
get ready.
anybody who said that a lie, they might tell.
Dang, why me couldn't have the handicap sticker?
Just park yourself. I might lick the chick over
No,
there, so.
because obviously I can't see her.
Clearly.
I don't have to reverse, so just go
Guys,
I
what
look
is
there.
this?
Boom, watch out for cat the right depth. Alright
What
guys,
you want,
so we
baby?
finally reached at home.
Here's something.
So we're
So I'm
about
out
to
of the
go.
car.
I hope to see how my sister disgusting and treat. She not nice. She don't nice. But me feel cute. I mean, I not met nobody cramp my style. So we're finally at home. Guys, this is super cute. So it's $109, but this is just for one, okay? And it's 30% off. So this right here is $12.99. The aloe vera one, I think it's 30 something else. I don't know if they're having a sale on them though. You see the big one there? No, I'm not seeing on neither. Then go outside and just put the things and put. Ooh, this is nice though.
Yeah. We need to find the next one too.
Oh, to the standing one where you buy.
Mm-hmm.
This one is nice, but
That's nice.
yeah,
But
that's
another-
nice.
this one too.
That is nice. Online, I like the look of
Oh, that's cute.
this. This is nice. At $129, I not see no sale. Wait, it might be red stripes, green. I not see none of them sitting here have nothing red or green for it. It's nice. This is nice. 99. Super durable.
Take it down.
Yeah, man. This can't, yeah, the body can't fit on this. Anything comfortable for you?
Auntie,
Yeah, Taylor?
Yeah, that's good.
Auntie,
Mm-hmm.
Auntie, I asked my mom, can I have her necklace?
Really? You did?
This feels good.
That feel good. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. The 8x. But the 8x10 look too big.
No.
I'm trying to see if I can find the rug. You see the one that's on your side? This must be it. So we're back home. Well, I'm by my sister's house and we're chilling outside. Michaela's about to go in her little pool. We're just gonna kick back and relax a little bit. Oh yeah, just an update. So I did end up getting the rug. It was a bit dirty, but it was dust. So I ended up getting it. It fits the space perfectly. I've been searching for a rug for, I would say, maybe a year. And it took me this long to buy something, but I'm happy with what I bought. And I can't wait to show you guys that space. Okay, we're not gonna show all of you. We don't want to put that on the internet, okay? But say hey. You're about to go into the pool?
My challenge is about, so Mommy and me, we're gonna have a makeup challenge and a hair challenge.
Really?
Oh yeah,
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing, girl.
Xuxa, any. Oh, you wet me up.
Because me a bad girl. Bad from
What you want to do?
You're up too.
What you want to do?
Luckier. Yeah, luckier. How you feel about yourself when you say wet up your little sister? Wet her up from head to toe. She can't catch pneumonia out here. And
You start the war.
really, Keisha?
You start the war first. I was sitting here minding my own business, and you decide that you want to start war. But the war you want, a war you are gonna get.
Okay, you see how she have the hose in her hand?
Yes, but you watch me know you still.
Okay. Gabriel, that is so mean. He knew Grayson was trying to get it. Look at that. And he grabbed it from him. Give it to your brother. Alright, so Eddie, what are you doing?
I am battering fish, and then gonna put it in the grease. The grease hasn't got fully hot yet, but it's getting there.
What night is tonight? Taco Saturday. I was just using some Pacific card. And we have the Corona Rita on deck. This tastes so good. Eddie really did this. Amazing. I mean, that's still cooking. And this is done here. Yum, yum, yum.
Get out the kitchen.
I really didn't take anything.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
You took that off.
No, I didn't. Look, I really did. I was faking.
Get out the kitchen. I'll back up.
Sauce is amazing. If you know, you know. I'm so happy I didn't make it to the car wash. I'm glad I come out for this. The food nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And until next time, accept your flaws, embrace your strength, and own your journey.
Change the world. Love can heal mankind. Love can save the day.